Hello and welcome back to another Marble Snap tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own alliance on the Marble Snap game. So let's get started right away. Now, if the alliances option is not yet available within your game, then this simply means that you have not played enough matches. Just play a few matches, and after you have completed the basic tutorials and understood all of the game mechanisms, the alliances option will also be unlocked. You can then just click on it and you will see the join as well as the create option. In order to create your own alliance, click on create. You can now choose your alliance emblem. Tap on the edit button to choose from the various different ones that are available. After choosing your emblem, you can now choose your theme from the theme arrows. Once you find your desired theme, you can enter the name of your alliance and then add any tags if you wish. You also have the option to enter any description to pass out any information to anyone who would like to join. After entering your description, you can choose the minimum collection level. This option simply lets you choose the minimum level that a user needs to reach before they are allowed to join your alliance. If you choose any level, then even a beginner can join your alliance. So choose your minimum collection level accordingly, and you may also choose the minimum highest rank achieved. Once again, this will limit the entry barrier for anyone who would like to join your alliance to the rank that you have selected. And if you choose any rank, then someone who has just started playing the game can also join. Now, within the privacy section, you can choose to make it an open alliance or an invite only. If you choose invite only, only those people that you have personally invited will be able to join your alliance. If you want anyone to be able to join, make sure to keep it open. Then choose your alliance language, and you may also add search labels if you wish to do so. You may pick up to 3 search levels, which you can apply onto your alliance. Now, in order to create your alliance, you will need to spend 100 gold bars. You can earn these gold bars by simply completing the daily missions and challenges, as well as by playing more games. Just tap on the 100 gold bar icon and you can hold to confirm, and this will now create your alliance right away. Tap on the Let's Go button and now you can add various different bounties as well as end of the week rewards. Whoever makes the most contribution within your alliance will be given these rewards at the end of the week. You can also find the chat settings at the bottom right corner from where you can chat with your alliance members. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your own alliance on the Marble Snap game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Marble Snap tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.